Hi everyone, here we go. We're going to learn how to heat set your silk screens so that you can wash them and even dry clean them if you want to. Here's one that I've done earlier. Now you'll notice that I haven't used the Dragonfly that I did just a few moments ago. These paints, even though they dry to the touch in about 10 to 15 minutes, you really have to let them sit or cure for 24 hours. And so here is a butterfly that I did a few days ago, and so now I'm going to heat set it. I have my iron set to a temperature that is going to work with the type of fabric that I have, and I have a polyester cotton fabric here. And so I have my little ironing board here. This is Quilter's Cut and Press by June Taylor. And then I also have my Grip and Grip mat laying down on my ironing board. So I'm going to put my painted silk screen face down, and remember it has to wait for 24 hours. And I'm going to put my iron on, and I'm just going to rub around in the area of the silk screen for say 10 to 15 seconds, and we'll just keep rubbing around. Now if you have done a larger item, of course you're going to have to do 10 to 15 seconds in each area, and so that should probably do it. We're going to turn it over just like this, and then we're going to lay another piece of fabric. I usually use a little muslin, but I happen to have another piece of that same little black fabric. So now we're going to heat set on this side too, but I always like to protect the paint from direct contact with the iron. So we'll do another 10 seconds or so. Once this is done, you're going to be able to wash it, dry it, and dry clean it. I don't know how many of you dry clean much anymore, but I use Dry-L to dry clean all of my samples and things. Okay, now this is heat set and ready to go. You can, like I said, you can wash it and dry clean it, and you can always do this only after 24 hours. So thanks for watching. Come back and see how we mix the paint, and we'll have fun with that too. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.